So, literally, box, took it out of the box, nothing special. What I noticed about this though is it feels so fucking nice. Like, it's lightweight to a certain extent. It's a twin piston version, so obviously very fucking smooth. It feels quality. It feels really, really, really nice in the hands. So obviously you can get the stick-on ones, but they Chris is sending me a pad to replace this so I can use my 3M Velcro. So what I'm going to do is I've just put in one of our little air lines, just fired the compressor up. So now we're going to plug it in and just see how smooth this is. Now Chris says it's a dream, and I trust Chris with everything at Spray Guns Direct. So let's go and plug it in. Right, so now plugged in. The hissing is from this fucking airline because it's knackered. So fucking hell, that's nice. There's, wow, very, very, very little vibration. Very little vibration. Wow, that's good. Well, I'm impressed. I've actually got, I don't know where my gloves are, but I've got like anti-vibration gloves as well because my fucking hands are so bad. So I'm happy with this, man. I'm gonna wait for my pads to turn up today from Chris, and I'm gonna chuck on some 80 grit or some 120 grit, and I'm gonna go on it with Frankie. So we'll see exactly just how well this performs. So, you know, if you guys are after something like, I think this was like 89 quid. I think they are, so a fucking bargain, and it saves you a bunch of time. I've got the big 3M blocks over there, so cushy gravy, baby. Right, you beautiful people. Let me just turn this down a minute. Okay. So, this is part 2 on the CP airfoil. Okay, now in the previous video I showed you the unboxing and what it all contained and whatnot. I just gave it a little try with 80, and fuck me, it's an animal. There's no two ways to describe it. Now it comes with a foam pad for in case you use the 3M sticky abrasives, but I don't. I use the Velcro. So Chris sent me the sticky Velcro thing to stick on the rubber pad thing, so I can use the Velcro with my 3M. Now what you got to remember is I'm using all the best products. So I've got 3M abrasives and an Evercoat body fillers. So the removal is a lot quicker than if you're using the other shit that's on the market. So I just gave it a little blast, and like I said, and it's fucking nuts. It's, oh my god, we're gonna get so much done with this now. Like Frankie's bodywork, piece of cake. So the first thing we're gonna do is, this is the door, obviously Frankie's door, that we plated and we gave a quick skim. I roughly went over with 80 because I wanted to get a feel for it before I made myself look like a twat on camera. So now we're gonna guide cut the bugger. Okay, and I deliberately put some highs, some lows and whatnot in the panel, so the guide coat will pick it up and you guys can see just how good this sander is. Now what I will say is, if you think you need 80 grit, use 120. Trust me. If you think you need 120, use 180 with this stuff anyway. Right. So we're guide coated. Put my little thingy gloves on, otherwise I get yelled at by Chris at Spray Guns. These are lovely gloves as well. It's because I've got a bone condition where my spine's crumbling away, and I've actually lost all strength in my hands. So that's fucking fun. That's why I don't drum anymore. Anyway, enough of that bullshit. So let's mask up, because remember, you're using compressed air and a beast of a tool. So again, 3M strips. Again, you can get them from Chris spray guns. So easy tiger. So we'll just stick the 120 on there, like so. Okay, now with the flat sounders like this, don't try and control it. And what I mean by that is, don't be by putting loads of pressure on, because the thing is so strong, it'll fucking pull you all over the panel. Just guide it. That's all you want to do, alright? So we're going to go over this and you'll see A, how easy it is to use, B, how quick the material is removed, but again that's because of Evercoat, but just the ease of using one of these things.
And again.
Oh, with big panels that you're going to be using this on, crisscross motion. Don't be going up and down, whatever, side to side and stuff like that. Crisscross motion. How quick that was to do. It was fucking crazy. And you can also see how much of an animal it actually is. So let's remove this. Oh god, yeah. And you can get sandpaper up to like excuse me, 320, so right now, that looks good. Right, I'm buzzing me tits off. Oh. Okay, got my flat sander, got my AC grit, guide code. Fucking, that's it, ready to fucking go. Let's oh, I can't wait, man. The doors are curing, so we're gonna fucking crack on with it. Got my hand then. Let's do that one instead, I think, much better. there, right there. Okay, so you saw how quickly that annihilated this door. Absolutely fucking annihilated it. So I can see exactly my highs, my lows. And I remember this door only had one skim on it and we skimmed the whole door at once. So now, and don't worry, you know what I mean? Yeah, that thing's awesome, but you can still go get a little hand block just to tickle a corner if you don't want to use something like that. But the material removal is fucking incredible. I forgot how, see, I used one, but it's a cheap eBay one, and it kept fucking up and it kept jamming on me. That is incredible. So for 89 quid, it saves a bunch of fucking time. So just use Evercoat body fillers and use 3M discs, and it'll be quick as fuck. So with that working and sorted now, it means obviously it's her turn. Well, it's the HY's turn first, and then it's her turn. But get on to Chris, Spray Guns Direct, order your Evercoat, and pick up one of these at the same time. Alright, the CP7268. It's like 89 quid, and it will save you a bunch of fucking time. So, you like the video? Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Share this video with somebody that could use one of these, or maybe you want to get someone a gift or a birthday present, whatever it may be. This is absolutely awesome to be able to do that. Now we'll put everything up on forum. If you guys are into your bodywork, your spray guns and whatnot, search Facebook for Spray Painters Elite. Also use the hashtag Spray Painters Elite and see if you are part of the elite group. Next video coming soon. Ooh yeah!